Hello and welcome to my channel again. This is OneOdio. As an audiophile, I have always had high standards when it comes to choosing headphones. Today, I am excited to review the OneOdio Focus A5 Bluetooth headphones. The new budget Bluetooth headphone, this headphone has left a strong impression on me with its exceptional sound quality, powerful noise cancelling features, and an unbeatable value for money. In the following review, I provided detailed analysis from various aspects to help you better understand its performance. The design of the Focus A5 surprised me. The overall appearance features a minimalist brushed metal texture paired with the OneOdio brand logo, creating a design that is very much in line with the modern aesthetic of Bluetooth headphones. The brushed metal material on the ear cups adds a touch of sophistication, neither looking heavy nor losing its sense of style. The ear cup thickness is just right, and the texture is very delicate. The Focus A5 noise cancelling headphone supports LDAC, enabling high-resolution audio wirelessly. LDAC allows audio content, including high-rise audio, to be transmitted at maximum rate of 990 kilobytes. Even over a Bluetooth connection with 3 times the data transmission, LDAC announces the wireless listening experience for all your music. The audio performance of the Focus A5 is one of its biggest highlights. Whether in low, mid, or high frequencies, the sound quality is incredibly refined, perfectly showcasing the potential of a high-end headphone. The bass performance of the Focus A5 is impressive. In Bluetooth headphones, the solidity and extension of loud directly impact the listening experience. The Focus A5 excels in this area with deep reaching lows that allow you to clearly feel the rich detail without any noticeable high frequency overshoots or mid-range distortion. The bass control is very balanced, ensuring powerful and full-bodied bass performance regardless of the volume level. The mid and treble also perform excellently with the Focus A5 displaying remarkable sound balance. Whether it's music or vocals, the headphone delivers clear detail, providing a rich authority experience. In particular, the vocal experiments stand out with a smooth and clear tonal quality that sounds very natural. The treble is equally impressive, extending naturally and wildly without any distortion overall. The Focus A5 excels excellent job in reproducing the nuances of the sound, but its overall tonal balance is also outstanding. Noise cancellation is another standout feature of the Focus A5. It uses OneAudio's priority noise cancelling technology, a hybrid active noise cancellation ANC system with a maximum noise reduction of depth up to -45. In addition to its effectiveness in quiet environments, the Focus A5 maintains stable noise cancellation during real-world usage, whether listening to music, gaming, or phone calls. The noise cancelling performance remains consistently reliable without any noticeable feature in noise reduction. The first impression of wearing the Focus A5 is comfort. The ear cushions are made of memory foam, offering a natural, comfortable rebound, ensuring that you won't feel any discomfort even during extended use. Whether listening to music for long periods or gaming, the fit is very stable and there is no sense of pressure. The adjustable ear cups announcing the stability, preventing the headphones from losing or slipping off. The headphones offers excellent support, effectively distributing the weight across the head, so you can wear them for extended periods without any discomfort. The Focus A5 offers an impressive 75 hours of playback time, 45 hours in ANC mode, making it perfect for long work sessions or extended travel. In practical texting, the actual user's time is 74 hours, 44.3 hours in ANC mode, which is very close to advertised performance. The OneAudio Focus A5 Bluetooth headphones are undoubtedly budget. I'm extremely satisfied with its noise cancellation, to be honest, and wearing experience. Its solid bass performance, rich sound detail, and outstanding noise cancellation features make it stand out among headphones in the same price range. For audiophiles seeking both sound quality and value, the Focus A5 is definitely worth owning. Let me know in the comments which headphone you'd like me to review next. Feel free to like and share, subscribe to my channel, and see you next video.
Myself down to the bottom. There is no place to hide.